So today is a maintenance day and I did my toes. I painted them red and added a matte top coat and they look so good. Like, why are we not doing this? So today I am tinting my brows, and this is a stain from the Brow Code, and I'm just using that to tint my brows. And they're gonna be looking really dark. They're gonna be giving Chicago brows, but I'm not gonna leave the tint on. I'm actually gonna wipe it off after like 15 minutes. I like to keep mine on for about 15 minutes because it really does give me the pigment that I'm looking for. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I tint my brows. And I think I will be having another video on me tinting my brows. So I am a brow artist. I'm located in the Chicagoland area. If you guys are looking for brow wax or tint or even a lamination, hit me up. So I'm just taking that little lip wand and cleaning up any leftover tint that may be like somewhere that is not supposed to be. Then I like to use that same brush and kind of like take some of that product out of the front of my brows just to give it an ombre effect. I'm trying to give y'all more content and without overthinking it. So this was my little maintenance day or what I've and then they giving Chicago brows right there. Yeah. Not for long. So that's how they look, nice and natural. Don't fear. Don't fret, your girl. We do natural brows over here. So I'm just preparing my lashes for my clusters. And I got these from Temu. These are such a great alternative to like going to get your lashes done, because that starts to add up. And to be completely honest, I'm not a girl that enjoys like those lashes on my natural lashes like that. This is like the perfect map for my eyes. I love this. This is 3/16s, 3/14s, and 2/12s. Super cute. I got these lashes from Temu. Then here's the finished product. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if y'all want to see more videos like this.